Most people think weight loss requires a gym, expensive equipment, or hours of training. But the truth is, your home is enough. Your room, your body, and 10 minutes of commitment. That's all you need to start seeing real results. If you're ready to feel lighter, stronger, and more confident, let's begin. Today, you'll learn 10 simple fat burning exercises you can do anywhere, even if you're a complete beginner. These movements require zero equipment, yet they improve strength, stamina, and burn calories fast. Take a deep breath. This is your moment. Exercise 1. Jumping jacks. 1 minute. Start with jumping jacks to warm up. Your heart rate increases, your blood flows, and your body wakes up. Open your arms wide, land softly, and keep a steady rhythm. Exercise 2. High knees. 1 minute. Lift your knees up high, pump your arms, and stay light on your feet. This exercise boosts fat burning and improves cardiovascular endurance. Focus on speed and posture. Exercise 3. Squats, 45 seconds. Stand straight, push your hips back, then lower down. Rise with control, not speed. Squats strengthen your legs, core, and glutes, and help burn calories throughout the day. Exercise 4. Mountain climbers, 45 seconds. Get into a plank position and drive your knees toward your chest. Keep your core tight and your back straight. This exercise burns fat, builds stamina, and engages multiple muscles at once. Exercise 5. Plank hold, 45 seconds. Hold your body in a straight line from head to heels. Breathe slowly. Planks improve balance, stability, and core strength, which is crucial for long-term fat loss. Exercise 6. Reverse lunges, 1 minute. Step 1 foot back, lower your knee, then push upward. Alternate legs. Reverse lunges shape your thighs, improve balance, and strengthen your lower body. Exercise 7. Burpees, 30 seconds. Burpees activate your entire body. Start slow if you need to. It's completely fine. This move burns maximum calories in minimum time. Exercise 8. Standing side bends, 45 seconds. Raise your arm overhead and bend toward the opposite side. This targets side fat and improves flexibility. Move gently and feel the stretch. Exercise 9. Push-ups, 40 seconds. Whether on your toes or knees, push-ups strengthen your chest, shoulders, and core. They build upper body strength and boost calorie burning all day long. Exercise 10. Fast feet, 1 minute. End strong with fast feet. Tap the ground quickly as if you're sprinting in place. This final burst increases metabolism and leaves you energized. The mindset you need, 6 to 7. Here's something important. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Even if it's slow, even if it's messy. Every time you move your body, you're choosing progress. Every rep is a small victory. Every minute brings you closer to a healthier version of yourself. If you do these 10 exercises consistently, even for just 10 minutes a day, you will feel the difference, not just in your body, but in your confidence, discipline, and energy. Your home can be the place where your transformation begins. Your workout doesn't depend on where you are. It depends on your decision to show up. So tomorrow when you wake up, ask yourself, how much better will I feel after doing this? Because this journey isn't only about losing weight. It's about gaining strength, clarity, and self-respect. You got this. Let's keep going, one day at a time.